Brothers and sisters, bunions and blisters, children of all ages, I am your boy T Squared, the Renaissance Man, coming to you live with another mobile home tour extravaganza. Today we're out in Newport News, aka Bad News, Virginia, at the Clayton Homes manufactured home lot. Today we're checking out the LEGIND 28 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,474 square feet, double wide, 28 Savage Beast. Let's ride. All right, boys and girls. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at what's inside of this beast. So we're gonna get a nice spread of the living room area here. Nice footprint here. Nice LED lighting. They got it staged just right. Carpeted here in the front. Got your vinyl sheets flowing throughout. Got my assistant Kay with me rolling shotgun again today. Kay from Kay's Closet. So as I often do, I like to get me a nice old seat. Make sure that this place is actually lazy man friendly here. So nice little view from the living room area. You got your view of the kitchen from the living room. So nice open concept here. And I can see that nice pantry hiding in the back. We're gonna get a feel of that a little bit later. But nice modern look here. Like the color choices with the grays. Got the grayish beige that actually continues in the vinyl sheet flowing throughout. Nice modern lighting throughout. Overall good footprint. So we're gonna get our Michael Phelps on and we're gonna dive into this kitchen a little bit more. So I know you guys see this nice monster island that they got here for you. Swing this around here. Got our nice black appliances here. Try to take advantage of the space over here above the refrigerator, but the most you can do is probably try to throw a little decorative item there like they've done. You know, most people want to try to throw their Captain Crunches and Frosted Flakes up there. So it's all you, your preference. So we got the nice overhead storage on the cabinetry here. Got a nice window right above the sink, so you can get that picturesque view of the outside while you're washing those dishes. Definitely liking the detail here, trying to give you that shake cabinet look that most people desire nowadays. We'll take a look at the insides here. Got the nice electrical sockets here in the actual island. I had a good friend of mine, she pretty much told me how much stress she put her husband through when they were building their house because it was mandatory for this electrical socket to be in the island. Well, she wasn't gonna live there. To each his own though, right? So we got our nice corner cabinetry here, got our drawers, we got our Frigidaire hiding right there in plain sight. Got our stainless steel finishes on our sink here. Took advantage of all the space here in the corner, so it actually goes in kind of deep here. Tons of drawers here. Throw every knife and fork you can at this thing and still have some space. Even got a nice image of some future steak peeking at you right here when you're getting the food ready. Definitely liking the nice touches that they put here on the countertops. Also too, we got a nice little silhouette of some bacon here for you. A little bacon love here for you. I'm gonna swing back over here to this island. Got our nice storage here in the front. Now, a memo to you freeloaders, when you go over to the Clayton actual home office and they give you the free water, I don't think they're intending for you to bring it in here and just leave it on the counter for them to throw away later. They're nice enough to give you that free agua. Go ahead and take the trash with you, for the love of God. Nice window letting in natural light. Definitely liking how they staged this actual dining set area to show you about how many people can sit here. It's a nice Thanksgiving jumping off for anybody here or a family gathering going on here. We're gonna be nosy to see what this pantry life is all about in here. Now, as you've seen before in my other videos, these pantry doors aren't too big man friendly. So I've mastered the art of the side big man shimmy to get up in here so you guys can get a good view. So we got a U-shaped wire rack situation going on here at the top. They got 2 other levels here at the bottom. And I know, some of you guys aren't a fan of the wire racks, but I'm pretty sure you can pull out your wallets and get creative for some other storage options in here that work a little bit more for your fancy. We got LED light in here. We got a sheet flooring in here, continuous. Got our nice long hallway here that takes you to the rear access of the home. Found a sheet flooring through here, well lit with the LED lighting in here. So we're going to take a look at our first bathroom. Very nice space, standard shower and tub combo. Standard throne right here. We got the vanities that's keeping that same nice modern shaker cabinet look. Got your oval standard sink here, brush nickel on the finish. Mirror here, you can always jazz that up a little bit later on down the line. Got a lot of details here in the fiberglass tub, more than you normally see. All types of little nooks, lines, and crannies in here. Kind of looks like a carved piece of soap. I don't know how I feel about that. So with the curse of BBs, they let you know that happiness is a long, hot bubble bath. Gotta love the people that come up with these Hallmark phrases for these pictures. Now directly across from this bathroom, we have a bedroom here. All the bedrooms are carpeted in this model. Well lit, as you can see from the LED lighting. Natural light from the single window. Also too, pointing out the nice textured ceilings that they got here. Nice touch up here at the top. Got a nice modest sized closet here for you. Also carpeted as well. Got your wire racks here, from left to right. We slip into another bedroom, tucked over here. Looks to be about the same size, maybe a little similar, but almost like a mirror image of the other one. Same similar closet footprint. Standard wire racks. We got a simple left to right in here too as well. Now here is one of the cherry on tops for this location. This nice washer and dryer utility room as well. Coming in from the back door, this also can be staged as like your mudroom type area too as well. Now as much money as Amazon makes and as prevalent as they are in our lives, we still got to get them to master this one. Alexa, do the laundry. And while you're at it, tighten that lawn up outside too. So hiding behind here, they got our utilities. Got your Carrier HVAC here. Got your Ream water heater in here too as well. So we got where your washer and dryer will be located. We got your wire racks here too as well. And adjacent to this actual area here too, we got this nook. So you can probably figure out what other kind of storage you could use to try to take advantage of that area. This is also access to your circuit breaker. Now enough of all the boring stuff. Let's get to the stuff that you guys really want to see. What's in it for me? What's in that primary bedroom, you say? But first, my spidey senses are tingling and I just don't know why. My assistant slacking on the job. We can take a trip on down here, get the steak of the whole meal, see what's going on in this primary bedroom area. Still fighting not to say master bedroom. Nice, cozy, dreamy spot they got here. Let's give you guys a lay of the land. Nice, decent window letting in natural light in here. I see your eyes peeking over there at that primary bathroom. So I'm going ahead and let you slide on over here and give y'all what y'all want. To let you know how the master of the house lives. So very nice sized bathroom here. We got our sheet vinyl flooring here. Got those same nice gray cabinetry that we got in the kitchen. Same countertops. We got our oval sinks with our brushed nickel finishes. Our double mirrors. Got our nice step-in bathtub shower combination. We got a nice little public service announcement from Coco Chanel for you. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Coco Chanel. Pretty sure she didn't say yourself. I just had to throw my little extra Zatarans on top of that. Well lit here too. Kind of gives you that grandiose feeling while you're on the throne. Claiming your kingdom for real and good lighting right here. So, they decided to tuck away your closet right off of the bathroom, which is always a good move. You can go from butt naked to ready for business right at the drop of a hat straight out the bathroom. Can't complain with that at all. So got the nice long rectangular closet here. Got plenty of clothes and dresses for his and hers that you can throw in here and not get it full. We got the nice LED lighting in here. You can tell by my echo in here, got some pretty decent size jumping on. Got the same nice flooring going throughout here in the closets as well. Got our LED lighting here in the closet. So definitely a respectable size closet here for the primary. Very well thought out floor plan in this one. All right, welcome back, kids. Another mobile home tour in the history books. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. That was the Legend 28, or as I passionately call, 28 Savage. That was a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, double-wide home. The square footage of that house is 1,474 square feet. The house is 28 feet by 56 feet with its dimensions. Brand spanking new. But I know y'all didn't come here to listen to me rattle off about the house and give you another spec sheet on it, right? You guys want to know what that price tag is on it. So I'm not going to keep you waiting too long. The price tag of this house is $104,400. Keep in mind that these prices do not incorporate all the other fees like moving the home and setup fees and all of that stuff. This is just the MSRP of the house. Now, I've done you one solid and I looked out for you. I need you to look out for me. At the end of every video, I let you guys know that I have my very own Facebook group that's centered around buying and selling used mobile homes in the Maryland, Virginia, and North Carolina areas. So if you're trying to get rid of a home or you're trying to buy a home. And my wife just opened the door, so I'm going to have to delete this take and try again. Now, also too as well, my other part of my public service announcement. I am a mobile home investor myself too as well. So I'm more than just your little tour guide showing you all these cute houses. I'm in the trenches and I buy and sell mobile homes as well. As you can see here on the screen, this is my work number to contact me. If you are interested in trying to sell a used mobile home that you have, or if you're trying to get your hands on a used mobile home and you live here in the Maryland, Virginia, or North Carolina areas, give your boy a call and see what I could do to try to help you guys out. I am a smoking gun for hire. Now, like I always say at the end of these videos, you could have been anywhere in the World Wide Web, but you are here with me, and I appreciate that, and I don't take it for granted. I will see you people on the next one.